Okay, so let's do a couple of examples of different types of problems you can get. So for this one, we're going to do number divided by number. There's just an 8, so it stays an 8. We don't change anything. Now, this j has a 1 and this j has a 5. We always subtract from the larger, so we're going to do 5 minus 1, and it's in the denominator. So our final answer is just an 8 in the numerator divided by j to the 4th power, and we're finished. So since the larger number was in the denominator, it stays in the denominator, our variable and our exponent. Second example. So first we're going to do the numbers. So 3 divided by 6, I can reduce that to 1 over 2. So my fraction is now 1 over 2. And my variables, my exponents, the larger one is in the numerator. So I'm going to do 3 minus 1, and it's going to stay in my numerator. So I have a 1, and it's now r to the 2nd power over 2. Now, you're not going to see the 1, say, in your exit ticket. You would just see it like this. These are the same thing. We just don't really write the 1s in algebra, so I want you to get used to them not being there. So r squared over 2, final answer. Oops, final answer.